Hello, and welcome to Mark's Excel Tips. In today's video, we are going to show you how to load a pre-existing amortization schedule template in Excel 365. Let's get started. To get started, click on File. On the home screen, click More Templates. In the search box on the left, type in Amortization Schedule. Hit Enter or click on the search icon. In the search results, we see two types of amortization schedules. Two for loans, and two for calories. Click on Loan Calculator. The window that opens will tell you about this template, and what it can be used for. To view the other templates that are available, click on the right arrow. Once you have decided which template you want to use, click on Create. Excel will load your template, ready to use. As with all of the Excel templates, clicking on cell A1 will give you information about your new workbook. It also tells you that you can go to cell C2 for additional information about this template. Clicking on cell C2 will give you information on how to use this workbook. That's it for today's how-to video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.